racing. Slightly awkward start there for Imperial Echo, who's done up the essential customer genius handicap. A good start made by Idle Power, very speedy, red jacket, yellow quarters jacket, Osiris Way going up there, matching pace. Down the centre, El Bosque in the green sleeves, also showing good toe too. In fact, probably takes them along Idle Power and Osiris Way. Tucked in behind them, Effie Storm, the pale blue cap on the far side, Orphan Indeed, just tracking the Venice. Kellum on the three-time course with Little Edward is hunting them up too, followed by Verlaine and Imperial Echo at the back of the field, the Rickers. The one I didn't mention is Deep Deep, who's right in the middle of the field at this stage, the black cap with the yellow star. Osiris Way coming alongside Idle Power on the far side, Orphan Indeed on the near side of Bosque is taking up, now starts to try and get serious. They're racing up towards the final 2 furlongs. Osiris Way wearing down Idle Power. From off the pace, nothing really staying on except for Verlaine. Verlaine is coming there fairly strongly. So too as well, Orphan Indeed. Pentamon's need to get better on the near side, staying on the ridiculous on the pressure. Osiris Way from Verlaine, who's beaten the two steady inside the final furlong. Osiris Way.
Seconds, that's all right, we did each way. So we did